Today I come with a saddening, terrifying story where our own Zimbabwean sister Enira went in the public and bashed our own African sister Zodwa Wabantu. All in all, she's saying she's trying to protect our Zimbabwean culture. But let me educate you a bit, sister. Zodwa Wabantu is an African monument. Zodwa Wabantu, she's a woman who represents the femininity of every woman in this world, in the African continent and the world in general. So when you are then embarrassing another woman whilst you are a woman, just because she went to dance without an underwear, whilst her vagina is ululating with the free air of the nature, is that embarrassing? And you're now talking about lesbianism, and you're now talking about Zimbabwean culture, but you are also saying that you are an international career woman who wanted to make it in Germany, and you are in South Africa where LGBTI people, those gay and lesbians, are being embraced. You are actually ashamed to yourself. You are living double standards as a, artist, as an actress. So please, sister, stop embarrassing other women, because Zodwa Wabantu is there to represent each and every vagina holder, including some of us who were born with penises, but we wanted to have those kind of vagina which she have. So my dear sister, sit down, take a chill pill, because Zodwa Wabantu is going to bring a lot of revenue in Zimbabwe. A lot of people from all over are coming to see Zodwa, even our own men and women in Zimbabwe. So why are you then saying that she's a disgrace? Yeah, you can promote other people. Who is not saying we don't want to promote other people who are doing it? Zodwa is a special brand, an African monument. And she shall stand, and I stand with Zodwa. The LGBTI stand with Zodwa. And we are going to write that petition to be re-invoked, because tourism is about embracing every culture. So in solidarity with Zodwa Wabantu, I'm gonna remove my G-string. My G-string should fall down so that Zodwa can, oh my goodness, this G-string. We stand in solidarity with our sister Zodwa Wabantu. And Zodwa, this G-string has gone down because we love you so much, and don't be disheartened by one Zimbabwean, because she's not representing the whole of Zimbabweans. Zimbabweans love you, Zodwa, and we are going to have you in Zimbabwe doing your dance, that dance of yours. Goodbye for now, and Makanti Koshera Mufunge.